Today we're going to show you how to navigate the Mizar copy trading marketplace. To begin, log into your account and ensure that you're connected to an exchange. If you haven't connected to an exchange yet, click on the Exchanges tab and add your API keys. To start copy trading, access our marketplace by clicking on Marketplace. This page showcases all available bots developed by other traders. The bots are initially sorted based on their followers' highest profit and loss in the last 30 days. The first bot displayed is the one that has generated the most profits for followers during this period. You have the option to modify the sorting settings. You can choose from most popular, highest return, newest, and oldest. For this demonstration, we'll stick with the default sorting of highest profit and loss from followers. Furthermore, filters can be applied to narrow down your search. You can select the bot type, which currently supports dollar cost average, DCA bots, and API bots. You can also filter by supported exchange, a specific trader, the market type, spot or futures, and select bots that support specific trading pairs. Clicking on Show More will show additional bots available for copying. Each card represents an individual bot. You can see details such as the bot's name, in this case, Hedge Me If You Can. The trader's name and logo, a chart showing the cumulative returns over time, the last 30 days returns, and some labels specifying attributes like, in this case, DCA bot, long short that trades futures. Assuming you're interested in a specific bot and wish to invest, clicking on the Invest button will lead you to the detailed performance overview of the bot. On this page, you'll find key indicators like the bot's name, the trader, and more extensive information. For instance, the trader's social channels are listed, offering ways to reach out to them. We strongly recommend joining our Discord channel for direct interaction and advice. As you scroll down, additional indicators become visible. Essential metrics, including returns, are presented, along with comprehensive information such as total trades executed since start, the number of winning and losing trades, open trades, average holding time per position, weekly trade frequency, best, worst, and average trade outcomes, as well as the timestamp of the last trade. Below these metrics, the top 5 followers' performance in terms of profit and loss over the last 30 days is showcased, providing insight into the bot's profitability. But in the overview section, more detailed information is available, including monthly returns, an important metric to evaluate the bot performance. Below, you can see the position frequency, indicating how many positions are opened within specific timeframes. You can select here to see different time periods. I'll use the last 7 days. Based on this, you can see how many new positions have been opened in the last month and how many have been opened per week. Furthermore, you can see the trade distribution highlighting traded tokens and pairs, hit counts, meaning how many times this token has been traded over the last 7 days, as well as average P&L over capital. Additionally, the distribution of holding times over 7 days is displayed, reflecting how long positions have been kept open. As this bot utilizes dollar cost averaging, the risk associated with different order placements is outlined, indicating the frequency of base orders, safety orders, and others. By navigating to the Position tab, statistics about open and closed positions are presented. For instance, you can see how many positions are currently open, their P&L, and how many are open for more than 30 days. The distribution of these open positions is also detailed. You can see the distribution of the open positions sorted by volume, as well as a detailed view of the last 10 positions. By clicking on Closed, you can see the last 100 positions, along with their associated profit and loss, open and close times, and trading pairs. Given the wealth of indicators, we recommend referring to our blog to better understand their interpretation and always encourage you to talk with the trader on their dedicated Discord channels. If you're satisfied with the bot and ready to proceed, simply click Invest Now to be directed to the investment form. For a more in-depth understanding of the investment process, feel free to watch our next video tutorial.